Hey everybody, my name is Hallie and I'm from 7 Grand San Diego, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a spicy watermelon margarita for Cinco de Mayo. First, I'm going to show you the ingredients you need and how much of each. First, you're going to need some chamoy and tahini for the rim of your glass. Next, you're going to need 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice. You're going to need some cubed seedless watermelon. You're going to need 1/2 ounce of agave syrup, 1/2 ounce of orange liqueur. Today I have Cointreau, you can use triple sec. And also we infused our tequila with jalapenos. You need 1.5 ounces of that. So we're gonna make our cocktail. First, I said rim the glass, dip it in the chamoy, and then the tahini. Set that off to the side. Grab your shaker. First, we're going to do the watermelon. Throw about 3 cubes in there and muddle your watermelon until it's like a smooth texture. Right. Next, you're going to do the lime juice. So that was 3/4 ounce. And then we have the agave. That was 1/2 ounce. You can do more if you want it sweeter, but 1/2 ounce is pretty good. Next is the orange liqueur. And that was 1/2 ounce as well. Alright, and next for the jalapeno infused tequila, you're going to slice up at like 4 or 5 of the jalapeno, throw it in the tequila and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes so you can get it however spicy you want it. So that was 1.5 ounces. Throw that in your shaker. Next, throw your ice cubes in the shaker, and then we're going to shake for about 10-15 seconds. It'll be nice and balanced. Nice shake. Grab your glass, throw an ice cube in there, and then you're ready to go for the glass. Alright, next we're going to do the garnish. So I'm going to do a little cube of the watermelon, throw it in there, and a lime wheel. And that is a spicy watermelon margarita. I hope you have a fantastic Cinco de Mayo, and I hope to see you at 7 Grand San.